Hi, welcome to YK's Riddle. Enjoy the questions and answer. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. Which planet is called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition? Venus. Which planet rotates on its side, making its axis tilted by about 98 degrees? Uranus. Which planet has the shortest day, fastest rotation? Jupiter. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. Which planet has a prominent ring system? Saturn. Which planet is known for the Great Red Spot, a massive storm? Jupiter. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Neptune. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus. Which planet is known for its blue color due to methane in its atmosphere? Neptune. Which planet has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons? Mars. Which planet has the thickest atmosphere? Venus. Which planet is sometimes called the morning star or evening star? Venus. Which planet's surface is covered mostly by frozen water and carbon dioxide ice caps? Mars. Which planet's axis tilt causes extreme seasonal changes lasting 21 years each? Uranus. Which planet has winds that reach up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system? Neptune. Which planet is smallest in our solar system? Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.